Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to change your status on Discord using a PC. Whether you want to appear online, busy, invisible, or set a custom status, this guide is for you. On your Discord dashboard, go to the lower left part of the screen. Find your name or mini profile logo and click on it. Once you click that, a menu will appear. Under Edit Profile, you can choose your status. The options are idle, do not disturb, invisible, or online. Just pick the one that works for you. You can also set how long the status lasts, for example, forever. Or if you are away for 15 minutes, you can set it to idle automatically. As you can see, the status has now changed to idle. This is a simple way to manage your Discord status on PC, so your friends and server members know when you are available. With these steps, we can easily change our online status, add custom messages, and control our visibility settings.